As well as selling tickets, you can sell products to add an extra revenue stream for your brand. You can sell even more through your store. It's easy to share your store link with your customers. Or you could also add it to your box office if you want to sell your tickets and your products at the same time. Click the checkbox to add a button to your event listing homepage. Once it's saved, a button will appear on your box office so your customers can see your tickets and products from the same link. You can customize your store name so that it matches your brand. You can also choose which payment methods you want to take payments for your store products with by checking the tick boxes. It's easy to choose which products you want in your store. When creating or editing your product, just scroll down and use the checkboxes to choose whether you want to sell your product in your store, with your events, or with both. Whether it's gift cards for future events or t-shirts for your superfans, we can't wait to see what products you add to your store.